If you're new to using Jira in your organization and you want to master project management and defect tracking, you're in the right place. In this training video, part 1 of our Jira Tools series, I'll walk you through the first essential steps of getting started, so that by the end, you'll have your very own tailored workspace ready to organize projects, track issues, and collaborate with your team. So let's jump right in. First, when you open up Jira, you'll want to navigate to the Spaces section. Think of spaces as digital rooms where your team can gather all the information, tasks, and conversations for a specific project or department. You'll see a plus button, usually at the top or in the sidebar, which is your entry point to create something new. Go ahead and click that plus sign. It might sound simple, but this is a key first step because getting the right workspace organized up front will set the stage for everything you build inside Jira later. Now, after clicking that button, you'll be prompted to select a template. Jira offers a variety of templates, but for project management and defect tracking, there's a dedicated project management template that includes tools for planning, tracking tasks, milestones, and issues. Take a moment here. Don't just rush past this choice. Picking the right template impacts what features and sections are available to you. If you're not sure which one to pick, look for the template that talks about boards, issue tracking, and workflows. This is designed for organizing team efforts, assigning tasks, and keeping pace with project goals. Once you've found your template, you'll need to give your new space a name. This isn't just a label, it's a way to make the space instantly recognizable to you and everyone else in your organization. Maybe you're working on the website redesign or mobile app QA, whatever the focus. Make the name specific and clear so nobody has to guess what's inside. You can always change it later, so don't stress too much about making it perfect on the first try. After you've entered your name, hit that Create button. Jira will spin up your new space in just a few seconds. There might be a short wait while everything loads and prepares, so don't worry if you see a loading screen. Once it's done, you'll land in your fresh workspace, your blank canvas for project management. Here's where the fun begins. Now, you can start customizing your space to fit your team's unique needs. Maybe you want to add custom boards for different workflows, set up labels that track defects, or invite teammates to collaborate with you. Jira lets you tweak a ton of details, from the way tasks are sorted to what statuses you want to use, like in progress, testing, or resolved. If you're not sure exactly what to change yet, that's okay. Start with the basics. Set up your project goals and main tasks. And as you use Jira more, you'll find plenty of ways to refine and adjust your setup. The most important thing is to make the space work for you and your team, not just follow a generic template. And that's it for the initial setup. You've gone from zero to a customized Jira space, ready to be your hub for managing projects and tracking issues collaboratively. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into adding tasks, setting priorities, using boards, and handling defects, so make sure to stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. And if you have questions or want to share how you're using Jira in your own organization, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 2 and all my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing with Jira.